Hi everyone, I hope everyone has an amazing day. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to create lists in HTML in a very simple way. In order to do that, I have created my HTML boilerplate, and also I have to point that this list will have also navigation without any distortion. Before I forget it, obviously, I told that. Okay, let's jump into the build very quickly. Here I'm going to create a unsorted list with anchor tags, which will create the navigation magic and obviously the list item. I've created one here, and as you can see, the anchor tag has surrounded the list item. It has to be like this. And for the right place, I'm gonna this is gonna be the main page. And also I'm gonna create some other pages, 3 more pages. I'm gonna keep it very short. 1, 2, 3. Copy paste 3 times. This is gonna be let's say the about page. Okay. And this is gonna be the contact page. Okay. About us. About us. And this is gonna be the contact page. By the way, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. And yeah, and also like this video, please. Contact list. Okay, it is like this. It's very ugly, okay, but now we are gonna style it in a minute. We're gonna inside the head section. And from head section we have to create the style tag in order to do the CSS stuff. Okay, for the short I'm gonna remove every single margin and padding from every element inside my browser. 0 padding, also 0, and box sizing border box, obviously. Save that. Everything has moved to the left side to the screen. And so let's create the styling of anchor tag. I got the A element, and I'm going to remove the text decoration by simply saying none. I don't want any underline or anything else. Okay, I'm going to give also the color black. Right, obviously you can see everything has moved. And also I'm gonna grab the unsorted list. I'm gonna style it a little bit. I'm gonna give of width of 100 pixel. That's nice. By the way, if you have any question, you can leave as a comment down below in the in this video, and I'm gonna return back. If you want to ask me, don't hesitate that. Okay. I'm gonna grab also the list item, and I'm gonna style it a little bit. I'm gonna give the padding of 2.0 RAM, 0.2 RAM. Okay, everything jumped like this. And as you can see, we might have some issues here. I'm gonna also remove the list style of none. And also I'm gonna give a background of blue. We have to style it a little bit. Oh my god, it's too ugly. And also I don't want this I'm gonna remove. Okay, I don't want the color to be black. I'm gonna style it a little bit later. And color, okay, here we're gonna indicate that text color will be white. That's nice. Okay, but it's still like a little bit ugly, this list. Okay, we have to get the border bottom of 1 pixel solid white. We're gonna give a little bit extra space by giving the border of bottom white, but I will also give the extra space of border left. Where are you? Border left. Okay, I found it. I'm gonna give a 2 pixel solid gray. Solid gray. Okay, let's save it. And also we have here this gray border. Okay, this is not also yet finished. Yes, I'm gonna give also the transition of 0.3 seconds. I'm gonna give ease. I'm gonna do a little bit of animation. When I hover it this list item, I want to have a slight margin right come to the left side and the text go to gray. I want to be obviously visible that we are hovering this item. I don't want to be in a very simple way. List item, and here I'm going to say hover. I'm going to give and also we're going to hover it like this. That's simple. I'm opening the curly brackets. I'm going to say margin right 5 pixels, and I'm going to give the color of gray when we hover it over. Color gray. Save it. As you can see, we have this cool animation slightly and very smoothly. Try to go to contact page and say that it's not existing. We have to create it obviously. I'm opening my Explorer window, and here we have to go to section which we're gonna indicate which page we have to add. About HTML, about HTML.html, and we are creating here. Once again, I'm gonna create the anchor tag. I'm gonna create the index homepage. Okay. Here I'm gonna create a button. It's gonna say homepage, home page. I've created that. Save. Refreshing. About page, home page, about page, home page. Okay. Also, we have to create the contact section for our listings. Contact HTML. I'm coming like once again to Explorer window and creating the page of contact.html. Okay. Creating once again the boilerplate of HTML, and I'm gonna grab all this, copy it, and paste it inside my contact.html file inside the body. Save it and refresh the page. Contact, you see we are redirecting to contact page, about page, and main page. And so the bit was like this. I hope you like it. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Until the next one, be safe, have a nice day. Bye bye.